Yo, what's up guys? This is Reverend Coward on Saputa DIY. So today I am installing a integrated taillight on this Z1000 Kawasaki. I think this is Z100r. Yeah, right, Z1000R right there. So I wasn't able to take a video on removing the covers because I have thought lately about it. Well, anyway, so it's just easy to remove this cover right over here. Like few bolts installed. There's first bolt right over here, right there, and then this one right here. Just have to pull this, and then right over there, and then you just have to pull it backwards. And then right here is like that, and then good to go. So this is the stock light of the Z1000R. I already cut the wire off. And for you guys to know, the red light is the low light and blue is the high beam. That's when you push the brake. The rear and front brakes, the blue will light on. Is that correct? And then the blue will turn on, and this is the low light by the time you switch on the key. And of course black is negative. So I just removed the bolt, that two right over there, 10 mm. Have to put it backwards. Right now this is the integrated tail light. You just have to push this thing right over here. So this is how it looks like underneath. Well, anyway, this bike is Kulas. Yeah, right there, Kulas Designs, Prints and Services. So don't forget to like his page. So for the integrated taillight, these two yellow wires are for signal lights left and right, and earlier the blue was for the brake lights, and that light for park light, I think, for the red. So this is the low and high beam for the brake lights for the green. So we'll connect this red to this red wire and green for the blue wire. So we just have to remove this signal lights because the tail light has a integrated tail light. It has signal lights already, so it's cut off. So here it is. So this is for the right, and we'll just have to locate the right light for this integrated tail light. And for the main line, negative line of this right signal light. We are going to omit this because we have already the negative wire for all of these positive wires right over here. So we will only use the positive line for the right there.